So as we continue with our mensuration topic, we move on to objective 3B. This is going to be the second of the third for this objective. We're focusing on squares and rectangles. And in each example, the area will be given and we have to find the missing side. So a square has an area of 64 square meters. We need to find out how long each side is. We need to know the formula. So if we have a square or a rectangle, we find the area by multiplying the base by the height. And as the side of each square is the same, this means that the square is multiplied by itself, the side by the side. So the area of the square is the side squared. So what we are going to do, we are going to substitute what we know into the formula. So the 64 goes where the area is. We don't know what the side squared is going to be. And when we are doing equations, we always perform the opposite operation. The opposite operation of a power is a root. So notice we're going to put both sides under the radical symbol. So we want the square root of both sides. And when we do that, the square root of 64 is 8, so 8 to the power of 2 is 64. Notice all of these powers of 2's will now disappear. So 8 meters will be the side. And if we want to verify, 8 times 8 is 64, so that means the side is definitely 8 meters. So anytime you have a square, you want the square root function, and that's going to tell you what the side is if you're given the area of a square. If you're given an area of a rectangle, this one has an area of 96 square meters. The height of this rectangle is 8 meters. So using the formula width times the height, we put 96 on the area, 8 on the height, and what is going to happen is, since we're multiplying, the opposite of multiply is divide. So we're going to divide both sides by 8. And when we divide both sides by 8, we are going to get, and let's do it manually. You can use a calculator, but you're going to get 12 when you divide 96 by 8. And this is going to give us 1, so the width is going to be 12. And just to make certain, 8 times 12 is indeed 96 square meters.